Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And as you can see from the very small box, these shoes are not for me. So my goddaughter, my sister's daughter, is turning 5. So I bought her a pair of shoes. I wanted to buy a pair of Jordans, but she decided on these herself. I was mostly curious about the gift bag that I paid €5 for. And on the site, the gift bag is supposed to be either pink or purple. And this is neither. So how this is a gift bag for a pair of pink shoes, this was a waste of money. But yeah. So here we have the shoes. As I said, I wanted to buy her the Carmine Jordans or the Pollen Air Jordan ones, but she liked these, and so do I. So these are foam pink and dark beetroot, and I thought the quality was going to be a little bit better actually. It is leather, but for €90 or 95 with this, I don't know if I paid shipping as well, so let's say €100. Kids shoes are really expensive. Nice colors. I thought they were going to be a little bit more bright pink, but a bunch of flaws, and I'm going to show you. So you guys in US or Canada or wherever you are in the world, let me know what PS shoes cost in your country. And PS is preschool, so these are size 12C, which is in centimeters 18 centimeters, and the European size is 29.5, and these should fit a normal size 5-year-old, slightly bigger I think. So cool shoes, but the craftsmanship quality and the quality control, come on. I don't know if Nike thinks that kids doesn't care about how the shoe look, but this is not okay, especially not for €90. I mean, €90, that was what women's sizes cost before. But that's it for this very short unboxing. Nike Air Max 90 for a 5-year-old goddaughter. Pink foam and dark beetroot. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'm really curious about the prices in your country. Thanks for watching.